Hello and welcome to my channel. I have gathered 15 stunning bridal beauty looks to inspire you for your registry wedding. Whether you're a classic beauty, a boho goddess, or a bold trendsetter, there's something here for everyone. 1. The timeless English rose. Soft, dewy skin, rosy cheeks, and a pink nude lip. Think Kate Middleton on her wedding day. Perfect for that classic, effortless elegance. 2. The Hollywood glamour. A red lip, bold eyeliner, and classic waves. Channel your inner old Hollywood starlet. Think Marilyn Monroe meets modern-day glam. 3. The boho beauty. Fresh, radiant skin, minimal makeup, and loose, tousled waves. A look that screams effortless chic. Perfect for an outdoor or relaxed wedding setting. 4. The golden goddess. Bronze skin, golden eyeshadow, and a touch of shimmer for that sun-kissed bridal glow. Ideal for summer weddings. 5. The modern minimalist. Sleek hair, clean lines, and a fresh, neutral makeup palette. Perfect for the contemporary bride who loves simplicity. 6. The vintage vixen. Soft curls, cat eye liner, and a romantic berry lip for a timeless retro feel. Perfect for lovers of the 50s. 7. The ethereal fairy tale bride. Soft pastels, pearlescent highlights, and a dreamy, romantic aura, like a princess straight out of a storybook. 8. The bold and beautiful. Graphic eyeliner, statement lips, and striking features for the bride who dares to be different. Stand out on your big day. 9. The sun-kissed beach bride. Dewy skin, bronze cheeks, and effortless waves for that just back from the Maldives glow. Beach wedding perfection. 10. The regal royal. Classic updo, soft neutral tones, and just the right amount of elegance. Think Grace Kelly meets Meghan Markle. 11. The French chic. Undone elegance with soft smoky eyes, effortless hair, and a chic pouty lip. Parisian bridal perfection. 12. The garden goddess. Flushed cheeks, floral accents, and a soft, whimsical look perfect for an outdoor wedding. 13. The romantic blush. Soft pinks, fluttery lashes, and a delicate glow. Pure romance in makeup form. 14. The edgy bride. Smoky eyes, slicked back hair, and an air of confidence, ideal for a fashion-forward bride. 15. The classic natural beauty. Less is more with glowing skin, subtly defined eyes, and a hint of colour on the lips. Perfect for the effortlessly chic bride. And there you have it, 15 stunning bridal looks perfect for your registry wedding. Whether you love bold, romantic, or minimalist styles, there's a perfect match for you. Tell me in the comments, which bridal look is your favourite? I'd love to hear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more wedding beauty tips. Happy wedding planning, darlings.